Good morning, friends. Today I am telling you a story of Krishna and Trivakra from Puran. Do not you we think it must be very hard to be a hunchback? Let us hear the story of a woman who was a hunchback. She was called Trivakra and she lived in the kingdom of Mathura. She could not work hard like other women. For her, there were no celebration and happy moments at all. My situation will ever be the same, Trivakra always thought sadly. It was at this time that Lord Krishna arrived in the city of Mathura. The people of Mathura who were suffering under the king Kamsa's rule were happy to welcome Krishna. Krishna walked to Kamsa's palace with his brother Balaram and other friends. On the way to the palace, they met Trivakra. She was bent by her hump and walked very slowly. It was sad to even look at her. Friends, Trivakra, who used to make cosmetics for Kamsa, was going to the palace. Lord Krishna saw her. You know how playful Krishna was. He looked at her and said, "Hey, beautiful lady, what is in your hands?" he asked. What? Trivakra was shocked. She stopped walking and turned back. Everyone calls me Trivakra. Who is this calling me beautiful? She was surprised. When Krishna heard about the special cosmetics Trivakra made, he wanted to try some. "Dear lady, give me those cosmetics," he said. Trivakra had become devoted to Krishna from her first sight of him. Though she was still surprised, she readily handed over the silver dish which contained the cosmetics of Krishna. Cosmetics of king, but to Krishna he gave. Krishna accepted it. He was very pleased. Then he went near Trivakra, touched her, and straightened her up. At that moment, Trivakra's hump disappeared, friends, and she turned into a beautiful lady. From then on, Trivakra became an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. Friends, how nice this story, no? The rope trick. Dini and Mini got a rope. "Shall we play with it?" asked Mini. "What shall we play with it? It is only a rope," said Dini, showing no interest. "Look at me," said Mini. She skipped with the rope. "Hey, it is nice," said Dini. "Friends, let us play train." Dini and Mini ran with it like a train. "It is pouring with this rope. Let us play something else," said Dini after a while. "Wait a minute," said Minnie. She tied the rope onto a branch to make a swing. Both of them climb on it. They began to swing. Yeah, yeah. Dini cried in joy. It is fun to swing. Yeah, it is amazing, said Minnie. And they swung and swung for a long time. Long ago, in the land of the fairies, there lived very tiny fairies. They loved sweets very much. They sneaked sweet things from houses. One day, the tiny fairies went to a house and found a piece of yummy cake. They took the cake and walked out of the house. A little boy saw this. That was the last piece of his birthday cake. He had kept it for his dad. The little boy ran after the fairies, but the fairies got into a hole. Friends, that is when the boy's dad came home. Dad, some little fairies took the cake I kept for you. The boy said sadly. The boy's father was wizard. He waved the magic wand and the fairies appeared before him with the piece of cake. He took the cake and waved the wand once more. Suddenly, the fairies were turned into tiny insects. Nice, friends. He will always be like this, the wizard said. Those were the first ants. They may have lost their shape, but they still love sweet things very much, friends. How you are enjoying? If you are enjoying my channels, please like, share, comments, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button. Bye bye, friends.